To activate your Banco Sabadell savings account, follow these steps. First, ensure you have received your account details and debit card from Banco Sabadell. If you have not, contact the bank to request the necessary information. Next, visit the Banco Sabadell website and click on the Login section. Select the option to activate your account and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to enter your account number and other personal details to verify your identity. Alternatively, you can activate your account through the Banco Sabadell mobile app. Download and install the app. Then select the option to activate your account. You will be prompted to enter your account details and create a username and password. If you prefer to activate your account in person, visit your local Banco Sabadell branch. Bring your account details and identification documents with you. The bank staff will guide you through the activation process. Once your account is activated, you can start managing your savings online or through the mobile app. You can also set up automatic transfers, view your account balance, and track your transactions. It is essential to keep your account details and login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access. Use strong passwords and keep your debit card and account information safe. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Banco Sabadell savings account and start enjoying the benefits of online banking. Remember to always follow best practices to ensure the security of your account.